Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we're taking a look at a really cool, really neat, cheap little product from the great people at Polymath products. And it is the Spirit Level Keyring. So this has the same form factor as the almost world famous glow tags. So it can be attached to pretty much anything. For example, I have it on my Leatherman Surge here, just on the lanyard ring there. And basically, it's a little mini spirit level. So this is a bubble level, which is useful for pretty much any DIY caravan photography kind of building related task, really. So if you ever find yourself needing a spirit level to get something level, perhaps you're into your landscape photography and you really want to get that angle right, or if you're like me, you often find yourself in the woods trying to film reviews like this, having something like this can really help you get that level perfect to where you need it. So try and get the camera to focus. Hopefully you can see the bubble there. So yeah, really simple. Basically it's so small you can put it on a keyring and it simply works. So if I compare it to one of their glow tags, there you go. So pretty much the same form factor, but you have a built-in spirit level. They're so cheap. Next time you order something from Polymath products, pick up a couple of these and I'm sure you'll be finding uses for it. So there you go. Just a really quick little video. I think it's great. I'll have mine attached to my Surge, so whenever I need to get something level, when I'm doing some DIY, I'll make sure I get it perfect and the wife won't moan at me. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll leave all the relevant links in the description below as always. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.